Does your business need new, more efficient lighting, refrigeration, HVAC, or other equipment upgrades? Are you concerned about cash flow or covering the full cost of upgrading equipment? SmartPath is a turnkey solution that can help put you on the right path. We offer rebates and financing to help cover the cost. This way, you don't need the capital up front. Our teams help with indoor and outdoor lighting, refrigeration, lighting controls, HVAC, process equipment, compressed air, and building controls. We can look at various technologies that can help reduce your energy consumption. If a project can be accurately modeled, then it may qualify. Here's how it works. Step 1. Let us help you schedule a trade ally to visit your business site. Step 2. Get a free, customized proposal with recommended equipment upgrades, potential energy savings, and estimated rebate amounts. If you qualify, financing options may be available through the National Energy Improvement Fund. Step 3. Take advantage of rebates to help reduce the overall project cost. Rebates are based on your actual kilowatt-hour savings. Step 4. Once the proposal is signed, the equipment will be installed by qualified professionals, and then you can start saving more on energy. To learn more about how SmartPath can help your business, contact us today.